Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download files faster using Download Shuttle. Let's dive in. Download Shuttle app can be downloaded directly from the App Store and it will take about 6.1 MB of storage space. Download Shuttle works by slicing up a file into multiple sections and then downloading each section individually, which will result in a faster download speed. By default, it will slice the file into 5 sections, but that can be further adjusted to increase or decrease the slices. Once the app is open, it will look like a download window. You need to copy a link and add the paste link by clicking on the plus sign here. It will pop up with a add download window. Most of the settings can be left at default, but the most important settings are download to, which determines where the file is saved. Total segment, by default it is set to 5, but you can further increase it or decrease it. Start immediately. By default it's set to on to start the download right away, but you could turn it off and schedule a download for a later date and time. So let's try this first. Let's try scheduling a download for 1 minute later from now. And as you can see, the download did start with no issue, and we can confirm that this feature does work. To give you an idea of the time difference between downloading directly using Safari versus using Download Shuttle, I'll be showing you 2 different test results. Safari took around 3 minutes and 45 seconds, while Download Shuttle took around 3 minutes and 37 seconds. The total time saved is 8 seconds, which isn't a big difference between the 2 downloads. Safari took about 34 minutes while Download Shuttle took 23 minutes. The total time saved is 11 minutes using Download Shuttle. When I compare the results to the 8 seconds saved on Ethernet connection, it does seem to indicate that Download Shuttle works better, especially when you are on a slower connection. That concludes the video. Let me know what you think about Download Shuttle in the comment section. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. See you next time!